Do you want to start making residual income from home and from your phone? Now, I would assume we all do, especially in this economy. All right. I'm tired of, bills coming, but there's no extra money easily flowing these days. So today, I want to tell you how you can start making money from home in just 5 easy steps. Let's get to it. Oh, and watch the video until the end. I always got something special. All right, the first thing you want to do, check out this video in the link description below. I'm going to tell you, we can all relate to the story and the testimony that you will hear. Okay, it's about not being able to spend enough time with family at home. It's about, going through a depression because, the job is just not giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. So, watch this video. Now, it's all about the premium version of HBA. All right. This is a way for you to get traffic and sales from home. Now, this business can actually be started with only $25. However, the premium version comes with a lot of extras that I'm going to tell you about next. All right. The premium version is what you want to get for this particular video. So let's go to step number 2. All right. So step number 2, once you sign up below, look out for an email from me. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on what to do next. All right. I'm going to give you the link on logging in so that you can get all of your sales links. All right. And, let's just get into the step number 3. Step number 3, y'all, is to log in and look at all of your sales links, okay? You want to see which one you like the most, okay? Which link you want to promote, okay? So you simply log in and you click. You can offer a $1 trial, which is the surprise I got for you because I'm offering you to start with this premium version today with only $1. That's the link I'm going to post. Okay. So, but you want to watch these just to see which video is best suitable for your audience. Okay. So watch these videos and decide which link you're about to promote. All right. Now let's go on to step number 4, baby. All right. So step number 4 is, where is it? And oh, by the way, I'm Katina the broker. If this is your first time here, click on that like. It's free to like, y'all, and that really helps my channel. It helps me to continue bringing all of this amazing good information about making money from home and making money from your phone. All right, so let's get on to the next step. So once you get all of your links and decide, what I'm going to do is I am going to click on the link that goes to the training. If I can find it, I'm sorry about that. So I'm going to go, look, I'm going to go to my welcome email because I want to click on the link that is to the training. I want to get the training that's in the back office. Okay. So here it is, y'all. This is the secret sauce. Okay. When you start with the premium version for just $1, when I tell you there's so much in here, right? You get the private Facebook community. You want to quickly watch the video about the 3 simple steps to building your online business quickly. All right. And, the next thing you want to do is just start looking at all of the training. If you look over here, it says creating your funnel pages. It's a step-by-step video. Step-by-step videos about sharing your funnels, about tracking your leads, about selling your own products, about building your own membership site, about replicating some sites, using templates that are already created for you. There are so many. There's just so much. This is a really robust system. This is, it's a game changer. It actually surprised me. When I signed up, I didn't expect as much as I received. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be real. I did not expect as much as I received, but you know, you get all of this, okay? There are trainings every single Saturday morning. All right. And the mastermind, when you sign up for premium, there are mastermind meetings on Monday nights. So you want to, again, go in here and start looking at all the training and get set up right away. All right. So we are on to the last and final step. So, but before we get to that last and final step, let me know in the comment section, which step do you think is the easiest? Okay. Let me know what you think so far. And you know, like I said, your first step is you want to watch this video below, because we can all relate to it. It's gonna definitely touch your heart and hit home. Okay. And then the next step you want to do is now let me just tell you, this is one of the videos that I like to share. This is one of the videos I like to share, and this is about how you can get started with just $25. And I don't even think I mentioned the best part yet either. You get 80% commission. So even if you start with a $25 beginner plan, you get 80% commission residual every single month there. But even if you start with the premium version, which I am giving you access to today for just $1, and I'm trying to find it right here. So you actually get 80% commissions with this plan as well. And this one includes the premium traffic and the training. And let me tell you, all you do, right? They give you pre-written graphics. When you go in that back office and get the training, you get some, like right here, how to create your unique graphics with HBA, right? When you go in here and get those graphics, all you do is post them on Facebook, y'all. That's it. Post them on Facebook, post them on Instagram. You don't have to think about what to say. You don't have to say to yourself, I'm not a marketing genius, so I can't do this. No more of that. It's out the window. This is done for you. And again, that's the purpose of the Academy, of the Traffic and Conversions, of the Financial Literacy Academy, of the weekly masterminds. Okay, so now, you know, for our last and final step, y'all. Drum roll for the last and final step. Again, if you haven't hit that like button, okay? But for the last and final step, all you do, I swear, you sit in and you watch the money start flowing. And I'm so serious. It's going to be deposited directly into your bank account. And now, so far, I'm kind of new to this, but you know, so far I'm at $3,200 since I signed up. I've only been in here for a couple months, but you know, you get the, you know, the income, it just comes in every single month right into your bank account. So there you go. And I don't even have a lot of people signed up because I haven't even talked about this program enough. So, you know, I think this is an amazing product to discuss with 2024 coming up and more people looking for ways to work from home. I think this is an amazing product to talk about. So I am going to just start showing you more tips and tricks on how to use it, how to get started, how to hit the ground running and start getting that residual income in every single month. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video on how to start getting residual income from home in just 5 easy steps. Well, they might not be easy, but they are simple. They are simple. Just follow the program. So that's it. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Katina Willis. Take care.